Looking to boost engagement and sales on your Shopify store? Introducing Product Auction by Webkul, the ultimate solution for seamless auctions, managing bids, and maximizing profits. Merchants can add auctions to their products by deciding the base price, reserve price, and duration of the auctions. Empower thousands of customers to bid simultaneously, featuring real-time updates for a dynamic auction experience. Showcase all your running and upcoming auctions on a single page, complete with filtering and sorting facilities for easy navigation. Provide a dynamic page where customers can easily view their bidding history and complete purchases for all their winning auctions. Automatic mail notifications for all the auction events such as winning, getting outbid, purchase reminders, bid confirmation, and many more. Game-changing functionalities. Multiple ways for merchants to add auctions. Merchants can add auctions to products and entire collections in bulk with CSV or via API. Automatic bids via proxy bidding. Enables automatic bidding, so the system bids on behalf of users within set limits. Popcorn bidding for fair last-minute bids. Admin can extend the auction duration to allow fair bidding opportunities for last-minute participants. Allow customers to bid in their local currency. Customers can place bids in their local currency, enhancing accessibility and convenience. Analytical dashboard to evaluate auction performance. Track and evaluate auction performance with an intuitive dashboard to gain actionable insights. Prevent fraud by adding a joining fee or by banning bidders. Introduce a joining fee or ban specific bidders to prevent fraud and protect auction integrity. Auto-charge winners with Shopify Plus payments. Accept payment details and auto-charge winners for their winning bid. Exclusively available for Shopify Plus users. Unlock seamless customization with our available APIs. Available APIs can be used to integrate other systems. Install the Product Auction app and effortlessly set it up on your Shopify store. For free setup assistance, reach out to our team of experts at support@webkul.com.